Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google feature on this device. So as can you see, when I'm saying just Hey or OK Google, this feature is turned on. And now just to turn it off, we should open the Google application. After that, tap on the right down corner to the more section and then click to the settings. After that, tap to the voice section and click to the voice match. Now just to turn off Hey Google, we should click here once on the switcher and then confirm action by click to OK. And now when I'm saying Hey Google or OK Google, we can see that this feature is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.